My warmest greetings to you all. My blessings to all Sushumna Kriya yogis. Today is Kartika Paurnami, the birthday of our Paramagurus, a day of joyous festivities for all of us. The love and affection of our Paramagurus, their compassion shower upon us all the time. We can receive them only when we are full of gratitude. Every cell in our body will be able to experience their love and affection. Standing in front of the Gurus and saying, "Thank you, a million thanks to you," with mere words will not suffice. For at least 10 minutes, when every cell in our body is filled with gratitude, when you stand in front of the Gurus, then definitely the tears of joy roll down from your eyes. I know that many of you have experienced this. The magnitude of their love, their compassion is such that I will share my experience with you today. We received Sushumna Kriya Yoga in 2005. In June or July 2006, I don't remember exactly, we were traveling from Karimnagar to Nellore in a car. Actually, the previous day was Paurnami. Throughout the night, actually, some meditators had come down from Varangal. That whole night we did Paurnami meditation. Early morning, we started at 6 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. and were on our way to Nellore. That day it was very, very hot. In the afternoon, around 1 p.m., we were crossing a place called Medarmitla. This is after passing Chilkalurpet. Actually, the day early morning, when I was meditating, I saw a vision in my meditation that three of our Sushumna Kriya yogis had met with a severe accident. They were in a lot of pain. They were in a pool of blood. I saw that vision. Since childhood, I was always afraid to even take a small injection. In the second, I didn't remember any of that. I will take this accident upon myself, is what I thought. I knew that if I took that accident, I would not have to experience the intense pain as they would experience. When I take it on my body, that accident too will be minimal. Around 1 p.m., our car turned upside down. There was nobody in the vicinity, a completely desolate place on both sides. But strangely, by the side of the road, there was a hut. There were an old couple in the hut. Somehow we got out of the car. There was also a Kriya Yogi in the back seat. It was like a scene from a movie. My left hand tendons were cut and were severely bleeding. She immediately tore a piece of cloth from her sari pallu and tied it on my hand. After that, they gave me buttermilk. The whole accident scene was as though it was a setting. Immediately, we called my cousins and they arrived from Tirupati. The day was Sunday evening. Normally, there are no doctors. Sunday evening, all the nursing homes are closed. In Nellore, exactly when we called, an ortho Doctor was there telling my cousins to bring me in immediately, performing a surgery to connect my tendons. During that time, my cousin was by my side. While doing the surgery, the doctor said to my cousin, I have never seen any patient being so happy while a surgery is being performed. Afterwards, they moved me into a room. It took me around 1.5 hours to gain consciousness from the anesthesia. The doctor instructed me to have some water, and for that, my cousins were waking me up. But I will tell you what vision I saw at that time. I was taken to the Siddhashramam by the Paramagurus. I have never been to Siddhashramam earlier. There it was like this. It was very joyful. The Maharshis, Brahmarshis, the Siddhas, we think about were all there. It was as though it is inexpressible in mere words. Everyone there was treating me like a child who received a gold medal or a Nobel Prize. They were happily hugging, pampering, patting. Taking the accident upon yourself is not your work. We didn't give you that work, but you went out of way to do this. Hence, they were all very happy. But they said, never do this again. You will only do the work that is assigned to you. This is not at all your work. Hence, don't do this work. Even now, when I close my eyes and think about it, my going to the Siddhashram, all of them pampering me with so much love. Whenever I think about that, my whole body is thrilled. This means that even when we do something really small for others without expecting anything from them, the Gurus will shower upon us invaluable, unimaginable love. Another surprising thing was, after my hand surgery, after about 10 days, my cousins took new clothes and money for the world couple and went to that place to thank them. Except for green pastures, there was no trace of a hut. They waited for half an hour, and when some people from a nearby village came, they asked them, when we came here 10 days back, there was a hut here. Can you tell us where they have gone? Giving them a strange look, they seem to have answered, Babu, here there is only this field, and there has been no hut in the vicinity. This was really surprising. This means that our Paramagurus will do anything for us. That is what I felt. My cousin also said, during the time of surgery, during that 1.5 hours, I have never seen you in such a joyful state, Akka. you were in a very happy state. That means during the time my astral body was in the Siddhashramam with our beloved gurus. Isn't this miraculous? The love and compassion of our Paramagurus are such. We being in Sushumna Kriya Yoga, this selecting us for Sushumna Kriya Yoga itself is a result of our virtuous deeds from our many births. Love and affection is always flowing from the depth of our heart for each and every one of us. But everyone will not be able to experience this because of some vasanas from previous births, some incorrect feelings or thoughts may be covering them. I'm not sure if you know this or not. In villages, when wells dry up, the weeds and dirt are removed from the surface. When this is done, water starts flowing back and the wells get filled up again. Like that, every day through introspection, we must remove the incorrect thoughts and feelings, selfish thoughts. And while we are able to do this, love and affection is showered upon everyone around us from the depth of our hearts. Hence, on the occasion of the birthday of our Paramagurus, all of us from this day for 49 days should find out what is preventing the love and affection from flowing from the depth of our heart, from surfacing, and correct it through introspection. By helping ourselves, we should also shower our love, affection, and respect to the world. That is the minimal duty of the Sushumna Kriya Yogi. So, shall we all promise to our Paramagurus that will be like that from today? Will you? Om Sushumna.